How to get notifications when someone posts on Facebook in mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get notifications when someone posts on Facebook post in mobile. Now to do so, first what you want to do is open up the Facebook app and log into your account. Now head into the random account that you want to get notifications for. I'll just search in for a friend right here. And once you head into the profile, what you want to do is tap on the friends option that you can see on the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll get a list of options. Now what you want to do is tap on edit friend list and tap on close friends and make sure that the close friends is tick marked. You can see the blue tick mark there. Now once you do this, head back to your home page and head into the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, what you want to do is head into settings and privacy. Now once there, head into settings and head into your profile settings, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option notification settings under notifications. Head there, and once there, under what notifications you receive, you can see the option updates from friends. Tap on it and make sure that allow notifications on Facebook is toggled on, and where you receive these notifications you can toggle on the push notifications, you can toggle on the email notifications, and you can toggle on the SMS notifications. Once you do this, you will get notifications when someone posts or when this particular friend posts on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.